Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is chemical equation. What is chemical equation? The method of representing a chemical reaction with the help of symbols and formulas of the substance involved in it is known as chemical equation. So that is, word equation can be represented by means of symbols and formula. Symbols: carbon, symbol is C; nitrogen, N; hydrogen, H. That is the symbols. And formula: sulfuric acid, H2SO4; hydrochloric acid, HCl; calcium carbonate, CaCO3. These are the formulas. So writing the word equation by means of symbols and formulas, then you can call it as a chemical equation, right? We'll see. So see, the substance which undergo chemical change in the reaction, that is the substance which is present on the left hand side, then it is called as a reactants. So see one example. What is Zn? Zinc. The zinc symbol is Zn. Sulfuric acid, the formula is H2SO4. When these two reacts, then we will get a new substance on the right hand side, that is zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, and it evolves the hydrogen gas. So the substance which is present on the left hand side of the chemical equation, then you can say it as a reactant. Okay, now we'll see about products. The new substance formed during a chemical reaction are called products. So here see what are the new products we obtain: zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas, which is present on the right side of the equation. Then the substance which is present on the right hand side of the equation is called as products. Okay, now next we are going to discuss about the skeletal equation and balanced equation. The other name for skeletal is unbalanced equation. So see the definition: if the number of atoms of any element in a chemical equation is not equal on both sides, then it is a skeletal equation. So simply I will tell you, the number of atoms which is present on the left hand side is not equal to the number of atoms which is present on the right hand side. Simply LHS, left hand side, not equal to right hand side, RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. So the total number of atoms present on the left hand side is not equal to total number of atoms found on the right hand side. See the example. Magnesium, when it reacts with hydrochloric acid, you will get magnesium chloride and it evolves out the hydrogen gas. See the left hand side. One magnesium, Mg means magnesium, one hydrogen is there and one chlorine is there. And see the right hand side, one magnesium, two chlorine and two hydrogen is present. See, one magnesium left hand side and right hand side one magnesium. And here left hand side one hydrogen but right hand side two hydrogen. And see left hand side one chlorine is present but right hand side two chlorine is present. So left hand side number of atoms is not equal to right hand side number of atoms. So this unbalanced equation is called as skeletal equation, right? Next is C, about balanced equation. A balanced equation means the total number of atoms of each element is equal on both sides of a chemical reaction. So LHS equal to RHS. That is, total number of atoms present on the left hand side is equal to the total number of atoms present on the right hand side. So see, now we are going to balance the equation. So right hand side we have 2 chlorine and right hand side we have 2 hydrogen. So we are adding a 2 as coefficient in front of the HCl. So in the reactant side we are adding 2 as coefficient in front of the HCl. So now see, one magnesium left hand side and one magnesium right hand side, and 2 hydrogen is present on the left hand side and 2 hydrogen is present on the right hand side, and 2 chlorine on left hand side and 2 chlorine on right hand side. Now the number of atoms present on the left hand side, which will be equal to the total number of atoms which is present on the right hand side. This kind of equation is called as balanced equation, right? Next, why should an equation to be balanced? A chemical reaction should be balanced because matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. The total mass of the reactant should be equal to the total mass of the product. It is on the basis of law of conservation of mass. So matter, that is atoms, we cannot create the atoms and we cannot destroy the atoms. So it is present as it is in the universe. So we need to maintain the total mass, the total weight of the reactants should be equal to the total mass of the product side. Both the masses should be equal. So that's why this obeys the law of conservation of mass. The main keyword is matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. You cannot create the atoms, you cannot destroy the atoms. That is the meaning. Okay, that's why we need to balance the equation, right? So one more time, I will recall the difference between the skeletal and balanced equation. Skeletal means unbalanced equation. So the total number of atoms which is present on the left hand side, which is not equal to the total number of atoms present on the right hand side. And what is the balanced equation? The total number of atoms which is present on the left hand side, which will be equal to the total number of atoms present on the right hand side. This one is called as a balanced chemical equation. So usually the chemical equation should obey the law of conservation of mass because the matter can neither be created nor be destroyed. So thank you. So remaining video topics can be continued on the next video. If this video is very informative to you and it is super clear to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.